Hi guys, so my name is Tindai and I'm finally back on YouTube. Yes, this time I'm going to try to be consistent. Yes, so this time I'm going to try a different way of shooting my videos. I'm going to be speaking in my native language, which is Shona. I've never seen many people doing videos in Shona, maybe one or two, but people usually speak, English. They never speak in their native language. So I'm going to try and just, speak at my own language while I do my own the videos. So my videos are going to include different things such as, I'm going to take you through my natural hair journey. I've just chopped my hair and I'm going to be trying different things such as makeup. I'm going to be vlogging. If maybe I'm at a trip or something, I'll just be doing those kind of videos. So if you do not understand Shona, I'm always going to write an explanation of what the video was about in the description, because I'm not sure if I'll be able to do subtitles. It's just I think that is a bit difficult. However, kana uchitaura Shona tichange tichinzwisisana zvakanyanyisa pano page. Please guys, like, share and comment and subscribe. Forgive me of my bad picture quality. I hope next week when I upload my first video, it will have a better picture quality. Anyways, thank you and see you next week. Bye.